Hello, everyone. This is George Ramirez, professor within the art department, and I hope you had a great winter break. I had a great break. As you can tell, we made a bunch of changes during the winter break, and I wanted to make this video to make sure that you understood what was happening. You may be asking what's happening throughout the department, and we have a calendar that's going to be printed and posted, but I wanted to highlight some of the events that are happening that you should know about. First, coming in February 7th is going to be Professor Benj Gleicksman. Now, some of you may know Professor Gleicksman from Holyoke Community College. He teaches graphic design there, and he's coming to talk about design communities. And that is establishing friendships and relationships with your colleagues so that when you go into the field, it'll help you with work, it'll help you with professional development. And Benj and I went to school together, and we're always trading off on lectures and special events, and it's helping grow our career. And a very special event happening on Zoom is Alan Barnett, and that's happening on February 28th. And Alan is a professional graphic designer and photographer in New York City, and he's going to give his professional expertise in dealing with business logistics. So a lot of you are asking, how do I form an estimate? How much do I charge? How can I not get sued? How do I not get screwed over by my client? Well, Alan has a rich experience with this, and he will talk about that via Zoom on February 28th. For those of you who do not know, we have an arts council for students of color on campus, and it's called SOAR. And SOAR is inviting a very special guest, Kimberly B. Coate. She's an artist coming on March 23rd. And the topic that she's going to be discussing is called Seneca Village, Black Freedom, and Story as Timeless. And to cap off our lecture series, we have Danny Simmons coming on April 10th. Danny Simmons is a painter and author, and this is worthwhile for students who are in the fine arts concentration or studying illustration, because he's going to talk about his experiences in the field. And as we move over to the Arno Maris Gallery, our 2023 calendar has a few events listed. Again, that poster is going to be available in the Dower Center, but for those of you who aren't aware, our very first event is happening on January 30th. It's called Something Extraordinary, and that's being facilitated by Dr. Ime. On April 4th, we have Kim Carlino, and again, information about this exhibition will be listed on the poster. On May 2nd, we have the Art Department Student Art Show, which all art majors and minors should be participating in, and even students who aren't a major or minor, if you've done something extraordinary and you want it to be exhibited, you can submit it for consideration. On May 9th, we have a very special exhibition happening. We invite the Springfield Public Schools to come and exhibit in the Arno Maris Gallery. It's an excellent way for high school students to get that first taste of what it's like to have their work on the walls. And to finish the semester, on May 22nd, we have Evolutions, and that's another student art show, but it's actually a collaboration between students and teachers, and that's running from May 22nd to May 27th. We hope you have a wonderful semester. Thank you for taking the time to listen, and enjoy your day.